try to do it without laughing. If your male end is too loose fitting into your female end, as in it just falls out, you can adjust the inside bits. I'm not a mechanic or an engineer, but what you can do, generally speaking, if you get a black tip on your screwdriver, that means it's magnetic. Not always, but that is generally a magnet on the end. Good and bad aspects to that. The good thing is, it's a magnet. Bad thing is, it means it'll wear out faster than a stainless steel. Bit of plastic on there as well. Scrape off. There we go. So you see these pieces here, that's what grips your thing when it goes in. So it goes in there, and it's not gripping. It's too big a hole basically. You pull these out. Hopefully, there we go. And all you got to do is just squeeze them together. Pliers. I just had them. Yeah, any sort of pliers to do. Just push them together like that. That's all you got to do. Push them together. Where did that come? That way? Doesn't really matter which way around they go. That way? Other way. That's all you got to do. Just squeeze it together a little bit. If that'll be right. If it's still not quite tight enough, or it comes loose again, what you can do is get yourself a bit of metal, foil, something, or even just something not metallic. It doesn't have to be metallic. You could use a bit of ceramic, something that's not going to be catching on fire. But these things don't generally take a lot of heat anyway. So you take your bit of whatever, bit of metal, bit of foil, something, and then you can just wedge it down inside. Wedge it in, even like a screw or something, just to wedge it in, make sure it stays in place and it's not going to wobble around, and that will actually keep it from widening too much. So that's pretty much it. You just put it in, squish it down, put that back on, and screw it together. So in theory that should now be fixed. In theory, possibly, maybe. We'll have a look. I don't do this how it's scripted. Everything must be perfect on YouTube. I don't do that AI bollocks. Yeah, there you go. Ta-da! La la la! My cock now fits in the vagina. Yep, all electrical stuff has male and female parts. The male goes in. The female takes it in. So yeah, that's how you do it. You just take it apart, squish it together, and ta-da! Simple. Simple, isn't it?